Hello again folks, this is a video to show how smooth the Quick UK gears are compared to the previous video which showed you the original Roban gears. So first of all let's check for lash, and there is absolutely none. That is absolutely tight, but yet it is totally free and smooth moving. And that's it, doing the same test as I did with the previous ones. And there's none of that noise caused by the gear meshing being wrong. And my experience of these on my Jayhawk were that there was no dusting whatsoever to be found at all. They ran exactly like they should. In fact, they run like they were made by a line. And my experience of Align gears is that they too are superbly matched. So that's the solution to the problem. If anybody wants them, there are a few sets left, and you can order them from the Quick UK site. Don't know how many he's got left, but there are a few. There were an awful lot of pre-orders. I hope this is useful for you. Thanks, guys.